It's a very simple design, but a very effective design, of course. 2,300 eggs per hour. What you're going to expect in about an hour. I believe these also come with a speed control. So say one day, say, hey guys, we really gotta do this. We gotta throw it in maximum speed and get that yield. We need to get that 2,300 yield. Or maybe it's a slower day. Maybe you don't need to do that much. Yeah, of course you can stand over this with your guys and talk. Not really feel like you're wasting time because the machine's doing all the work.
We're using RC1 in Mexico and we love it.
In Spanish?
Usamos la máquina RZ1 y somos de México.
Muy buenos
Y la
resultados.
amamos.
Buenos resultados.